Welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In this tutorial, you will learn the 10 easy freelance writing niches for beginners. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube, and please watch this video to the end so you could understand how to get started as a freelance writer. What is a freelance writing niche? A freelance writing niche is like finding your special writing topic. It's the area or subject you are really good at and enjoying writing about. By focusing on a niche, you become an expert in that specific field, making it easier to find writing jobs and clients who need your expertise. For example, if you love food, your niche might be writing about recipes and cooking tips. It's like having your own little writing specialty. We have 4 essential types of writing niches. 1, we have the narrative type of writing, we have the descriptive type of writing, we have the persuasive type of writing, and we have the expository type of writing. I'm going to be explaining them one after the other so that you can understand the type of freelance writing niches that we have. So let's start with the expository type of freelance writing. This is all about explaining and informing. You provide facts, details, and information on a topic. It's like sharing knowledge in a clear and organized way without trying to persuade or tell a story. That's what expository type of writing is. Then for the narrative type of freelance writing, this type of writing aims to educate the reader on a particular topic. For example, long-form general articles and blog posts. Articles you write on blogs, these are types of narrative type of writing because it aims to give an information like on a particular topic. So that's narrative type of writing. So let's move to the third one, which is descriptive type of freelance writing. In this type of writing, you paint a picture with words. It's all about using details to help the reader imagine or understand something. For example, you are trying to describe a place, an object, a person to the reader. So the reader has to have an imagination of the message that you are trying to pass. That's what descriptive type of writing is all about. The fourth one, which is persuasive type of writing. When you write persuasively, your goal is to convince the reader to agree with your point of view or take a specific action. You use argument and evidence to make your case. That's what a persuasive type of writing is. You have to persuade, you have to convince the reader to agree to what you are saying. So that's what the 4 types of writing is. We have persuasive, descriptive, narrative, and expository type of writing. Why you should choose a niche as a freelance writer? Choosing a niche as a freelance writer is like becoming an expert in a specific field. Here's why it is important. Expertise. By focusing on a niche, you become really good at writing about a particular topic. Clients trust your knowledge and skills in that area, so it makes you to become an expert in that specific field. So that is why you should choose a niche as a freelance writer. We also have client attraction. When you choose a niche, you attract clients looking for experts in that field. They are more likely to hire you because you understand their industry or topic as well. You also have higher pay. Specialized knowledge often allows you to charge higher rates. Clients are willing to pay more for expert level content. So you have the tendency of earning more when you specialize in a particular subject or on a particular niche. People know that you're an expert in what you do, so they tend to pay you higher. That is why you should choose a niche as a freelance writer, because choosing a niche helps you to stand out, you build expertise, you attract clients, it boosts your confidence, you earn more and ensure a consistent flow of freelance work. How to choose a freelance writing niche? Choosing a freelance writing niche is like finding your writing passion. Here's how to do it. You identify your interest. Think about what topics or subjects you enjoy reading or learning about. Your passion will keep you motivated. So you have to identify your passion or what you are interested in. If you have that topic that you like, let's say for example you like food, you can become a freelance writer writing about food, you're blogging about food. That's what you like and that's your area of interest. How can you choose a freelance writing niche again? Through research. Look for niches in which there is a demand for content. Check job boards and see what clients are looking for. So when you begin to do your research, you know that when it comes to food, people are really searching about recipes. So when you do that research, you can start writing about recipes for clients. And because the demand for recipes is high, you tend to get clients. So you have to put in the work, you have to do your research. How can you choose a freelance writing niche? By doing a competition check. See how many other writers are in that niche. A little competition is good, but too much can make it hard to stand out. When you do your competition check, don't go into a crowded space. Look for a space that is not too crowded, that you can easily scale. So this is one important factor that you need to check before choosing your niche. You can also test and adjust. Start with a niche you think suits you and take on a few projects. If it feels right, great. If not, don't be afraid to switch until you find the perfect fit. So test and adjust. Try this niche. If it's not working, you can shift to another niche. You can see how you can scale until you get the perfect niche for yourself. There's no harm in testing and trying. 10 easy freelance writing niches. 1. Health and wellness. Write about topics like nutrition, fitness, mental health, and well-being. This is one lucrative topic you can start writing about. So you can also talk about travel. Share travel tips, destination guides, or write about different cultures and experiences. You can also talk about technology. Cover tech trends, gadget reviews, or explain tech concepts in simple terms. These are things that people want to know. This is the area where technology is on the increase. You can start by doing gadget reviews. When you see a phone, for example, you can write about it, the features of that phone, what people can gain when they buy that phone. So this is one niche you also want to start. We also have the finance niche. Write about personal finance, budgeting, investing, or explain financial news. A lot of people want to know what is happening in the economy. You can start writing about it. Also, you can talk about parenting, share advice on raising children, parenting tips, or discuss family-related topics. These are things that you can start. Advise parents how they can raise their children if you are experienced, or from your own personal experience, you can start writing about such. The next on my list is food and recipes. Create content about cooking, recipes, and restaurant reviews. You can do that, most especially for restaurant reviews. A lot of people need a budget-friendly restaurant that they can go to. So when you start that reviews, you can talk about restaurants that is cheap for people. So food and recipes is something that you actually want to start, or you want to start writing about. Fashion and beauty. Write about fashion trend, beauty products, or style advice, especially for style advice. People don't know the kind of clothes they should wear for a particular occasion. So you can start giving style advice to people. You can write about it, you can talk about beauty products, you can talk about fashion trends. So fashion and beauty is also one writing niche that you want to start. The next one is pets. Share tips on pet care, pet health, or discuss different pet breeds. So this is one thing you want to start writing about. Also, real estate. Cover topics related to buying, selling, or investing in real estate. Real estate is one lucrative writing niche that you really want to look into, because people want to buy houses. They want to know how to invest in real estate. You can start writing about it, advising them on how to invest in real estate. So real estate niche is very, very good at the moment. The last freelance writing niche I'll talk about is self-development. Write about personal growth, motivation, goal setting, and productivity. A lot of people want to improve on their personal life. They want to grow, and they begin to research on ways on how they can become a better person. So you can write on that niche because it's one lucrative niche that you can actually start. These niches are broad, and you can further research on them to find your unique writing niche. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you for watching.